Good day, dear friends. Let's move straight to the most important news. In the Kursk region, local clashes continue in several directions as Ukrainian forces maintain their offensives and accumulate resources. To secure their positions, Ukraine is deploying territorial defense units into Russian territory, and significant troop movements are being reported in the neighboring Sumy region. Additionally, the transfer of the 92nd Separate Assault Brigade to Sudzha in adjacent areas is planned. The situation in the Glushkovsky district remains extremely tense. Information has surfaced regarding the cutting off of Tiokino by destroying bridges. However, there is no definitive confirmation yet. Nonetheless, we reported the likelihood of such developments a week ago. In the Korenevsky district, Ukraine continues its offensives near Koronevo, while simultaneously redeploying forces around Olgovka and directly into the settlement, where fighting is ongoing within the village and towards Durovka. There are periodic reports of attempts by Ukrainian troops to advance towards Sheptukivka. Though specific data is not currently available. Disparate groups of Ukrainian forces have previously been noted both to the west and east of the village, with no reports of capturing or liberating neighboring villages. In the south, fighting continues around Komarovka. Ukrainian forces made an attempt to attack, but were halted and retreated to Vishnevka, which remains under Ukrainian control. There have been no reports of counterattacks by Russian troops in this sector. Fighting is also ongoing in Borky, where Ukrainian troops are trying to advance with the 92nd Brigade and two territorial defense battalions. Additionally, Ukraine is expressing concerns about a potential strike from Pushkar-Noya, where reconnaissance activities are being actively conducted. In recent days, analytical circles have been actively discussing potential plans of the Ukrainian armed forces to initiate offensive actions, not only in the border territories of Russia, but also in the southern sections of the front, including the Zaporizhzhia region, which has not been in the spotlight recently. In this context, we decided to examine in more detail what intentions the Ukrainian command might have and the prospects for their implementation. According to the latest data, Ukrainian forces may be preparing for a new type of offensive in the western part of the Zaporizhzhia region. A key phase of this plan is the capture of Vasilivka. If this locality comes under Ukrainian control, it would open up opportunities for further advancement towards the Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant and towards Tokmak. Such actions would allow Ukraine to exert additional pressure on Russian positions and reactivate combat operations in this strategically important area. In recent weeks, there has been a significant increase in satellite imagery aimed at identifying the locations of Russian military assets. Such activities may indicate that Ukraine is attempting to gather intelligence for planning future operations. According to expert assessments, up to 4 brigades of Ukrainian forces may be concentrating in the Primorsky area, located in the southeastern part of the Zaporizhzhia region. This includes both regular troops and reserve forces, which enhances the potential striking power of the Ukrainian army. Unlike last year's attempt at an offensive, which was met with fierce resistance and resulted in significant losses on both sides, the Ukrainian command is now drawing lessons from previous failures. This might involve more in-depth operational planning, the use of sabotage groups, and the preparation of logistical routes to ensure the necessary resources. Despite the increased activity in the Zaporizhzhia direction, it is important to note that the Ukrainian command is facing serious challenges. In areas such as Pokrovsky, Oleksandro Kalinivsko, and Yuzhnodonetsko, Ukrainian forces are experiencing an operational crisis, which may negatively affect their capabilities in other regions. It is possible that the Ukrainian command views the Zaporizhzhia direction as an opportunity to achieve significant success that could divert attention from troubles on other fronts. A successful offensive in this region could create natural lines of defense and strengthen positions, thereby improving troop morale. In conclusion, while Ukraine's final plans remain uncertain, it is clear that they have not abandoned the idea of launching an offensive on this front. An escalation in the situation in the Zaporizhzhia region could significantly impact the overall dynamics of military actions and future strategies for both Ukrainian and Russian forces. That's all for now, friends. We remind you that our channel condemns any violence and calls for immediate negotiations for peaceful conflict resolution. Thank you for staying with us. Subscribe to our channel, like our content, and we wish you all the best.